Hello again and welcome back to CoCourse HQ. This is your reminder that the yearly CoCourse sale is on. So this is for new and existing members. So if you are already a member, you're treated exactly the same. It's 40% off your next month, next year, or your first month or first year if you are new. So if you're not a member yet, then you'll get the discount off of your first payment. So if you upgrade to the yearly plan, for example, that is a ridiculous discount, and monthly it works out as pretty much nothing. So I would advise to go for that, but of course, it's up to you. Okay, so to grab the discount, all you need to do is, if you're a new customer, head to the checkout and enter the discount code Black Friday 2019. And if you're an existing customer, you can just use exactly the same code, but you can use it to swap to a yearly plan if you want, or you can just apply it to your account within your account section on the website, and that will give you the 40% off your next month or next year, depending on what plan you are on. Now, this discount ends on Monday, the end of Monday, literally at midnight on Monday. In British GMT, not British summertime. We're out of British summertime now. So this will vary depending on where you live. Please don't miss it, because every single year I get people emailing me saying, I've missed the sale, please can I have the discount. So pop it in your diary to upgrade if you're interested. We have a load of new content out recently started working on some app development courses, and there's already sort of 5 or 6 hours worth of that. So compared to buying these courses individually, you're getting a massive discount on an already, in my opinion, good monthly or yearly fee. So happy Black Friday, if that's what we say, and use the discount code to grab 40% off either your first month or year or next month or year. And I really hope you enjoy the content. And have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon.